friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thanks for stopping in. I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button down below and join my sweet little community. So friends, today I want to share with you how to take a selfie using voice control on your iPhone. So unfortunately, if you don't have an iPhone, this hack will not work for you. But if you have an iPhone, this is a brilliant hack that I have become obsessed with, and it's so fun to use. So let's get into it. If you've watched my how to take a selfie videos that I have, and I'll link a couple of those above, or actually I'll put them down in the description box so they'll be easy to find. I have talked about in those how I use a little Bluetooth clicker to take my photos, and now don't need that anymore since I have this new hack that I'm going to show you. So this is how it works. You just set up your tripod, and once you have it where you want it, then all you have to do is say take photo, and there you go. Easy peasy, hands free. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to settings, and then once you're in settings, you're going to go to accessibility, click on that, and then you're going to go down to voice control, click on voice control, and then you want to set up voice control. It's not done at all. Okay, so voice control is on. Once you have voice control set up, then you will go to customize commands, create new command. I'm just going to put take photo, and then click action, and then run custom gesture. And then you just want to hit where your shutter key is right there, and then hit stop, and then save. You might have to go back and do this again if you don't hit the exact right spot. I had to do it a couple of times on my phone because I kept hitting either too high or too low. So you might get it the first time, but you just so you know, you might have to try it again. And then go back, application. Oops, edit, sorry. Application, camera. By the way, this is my husband's phone. He has like a million things on here. Oh my goodness. And then hit save. And you want to hit camera just to make sure that is the only app that it's using when you have voice control on. And you will want to cut your voice control off when you're not using it. And that's easily done by putting it in your quick keys. So super simple, and pretty much that's it. So we're gonna go out and do a test. See if I got the thing right. Take photo. There it goes. Oh, let's give it something to take a photo of. Take photo. Perfect. I hope that you find this useful and you're able to get some really great selfies using this hack. And if you have any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And if you haven't already liked this video, I hope that you'll hit the like button. It really helps me with the algorithm, and I really appreciate it. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you guys next Monday. Thanks, bye. This is harder than it looks. Like, how do I show you the screen and still show me? Oh. Oh, okay. I have to do this a different way. Take photo. Clearly not a great photo, but still. Take photo. See, it's so easy. Love this. It's so awesome. Okay.